Yes, hello. Thank you, and it's been a while since I had a message here. So I just wanted to say that disclosure is happening, although it seems like they are taking it in a slow pace, and there are ever more UFOs showing themselves. It's kind of been wild on YouTube what kind of stuff which is flying around. And I also have a channeling now, so we will see who comes through. I do have some clues about it, who will come through. And I hope you are happy and that you are doing what you love to do, and that what you love to do is positive, because I know that humans have a lot of different desires, and we are kind of moving up into fifth density, so everything is kind of coming out and showing itself. So what did function down in third density doesn't necessarily function in the fifth density, because people are becoming more aware about how other peoples are, and they can see through them if they are false or not. And this is just attributes which comes with the high frequency and densities. You know if you see a person which doesn't kind of fit your own frequency, if you know what I mean. So, but let's see who comes through. Welcome all my children to this lesson. I needed to do a cleansing of his aura and his room. We just wanted to say, on my superconsciousness, I am that which you know as Jesus, the Christ. I wanted to say to you, my beloved, that we hold you in dear light and love those which you have. Stand firm in these times and hold the light and the frequency for all human beings on earth. I want to say from the heavens light and from all the federations of love out there that you're doing a great job, and your earth is rising in frequency, and you are rising in frequency, and you are aligning towards the light again. It's been hard, it's been tough, it's been hard lessons for many of you, but you're now showing the resilience and the love which we were waiting for your awakening, so you could show the rest of the world what they truly are. And the lessons are now third density is approaching its finishing, and you are now standing much more firm together as one human race, and your disclosure projects are opening up. You are understanding, even on the higher levels, that you are one race, you are one humanity, and that which served you before doesn't serve you anymore longer. We've been working with this one for a long time. He's special. He did choose to forget who he was before coming into Earth. He did choose to live a human life, to see both the positive and the negative of that which is of being a human being. But we always had him in good hold and guarded him as he went through his life, so he could be ready for this, to show you, and many of you, the path towards your true self and your high love and frequency of your higher self, your divine nature. I'm trying to cleanse a little bit up in his heart, which are closed up because it's not been easy for him standing in the light and try to pull others with him. You can only change those who want to change themselves, and a challenge was needed, but also a good lot of protection, to wait for the right moment, to say the right words, and to show the light again. This is a short message for you, and you which are here are meant to be here, to listen to this, and remember you are loved for eternity. And these challenges which you have chosen for yourself, you have chosen yourself to be here in these times, to experience, to expand yourself. To be that light which shines for many. Not all want to go through that light, not all dare to see the positive in their fellow human beings. They are only focusing on the negative, blaming and accusing. And that is what you are moving away from. But someone holds it so near. They are from other galaxies and other races which are aggressive, and the soul has been incarnated there for many circles or turns. But they are here now to learn about humanity and to learn to step away from the ego and try to remember who they are again. You're all rediscovering yourself, you can say. Some are more open and ready now. They are the pioneers. They were great leaders, generals from many organizations around in space, and also workers of light from the divine and from the astral. Many of you are angels. Many of you have held so much love and light for so long, and now it's time to release it. Some of you question this one, and you know that he is special. He has always been special, but he has done this to protect himself, to remember in the right moment who he were, and do the right kind of show to awaken you. It is enough for you to see one episode, read one poem, and then you know that you are also of the same light. Do not be afraid to ask this one of something which you wonder about, and try to see the positive in him, as you see the positive in your wife, in your children, in those which you love, because you are all different, but you all hold the light inside of you, even if it might not see or seem that someone are of the light. They have just dimmed their light or forgotten or playing a role for you to see your own light. that's what I wanted to say today. May light be with you, and may the heart work for you, so you can show humanity what love and light truly is. Thank you. Namaste. Oh my God. Wow. That's a positive energy. You can just feel it's just pulling everything loose so you can work with it. Thank you.